there's quite a lot of questions in people's minds about what's going on and what is going to happen with this virus, and in particular with our economy. And I thought interesting way to answer some of those questions for myself and for some of those people would be to have a conversation with you and get a sense of what you're thinking.
Thanks for having me, and thanks for opening this conversation. I think it's very important in these times to have as much information on these issues as one can get, and for the public to be as informed as possible.
One of the big issues that I have, and one of the things I'm thinking about, is how we should think about opening up the economy. Which are the parts you think of the economy that are critical to be opened up, and what's the sequence of opening up?
It's a great question, because I think as we turn from trying to bend the curve on infections and preventing hospitals and medical facilities from being overwhelmed, we have to start thinking about restarting people's livelihoods. It's all too easy to have a lockdown forever, but obviously that is unsustainable for the economy. So it has to be a sequencing. First, the places where you can maintain distancing, and it's not just distancing in the workplace, it's also distancing to and fro from the workplace, the transportation structure. Do people have private means of transport, their cycles or their scooters, or even cars? Or do they depend on public transport? And if it's public transport, how do you maintain distance in public transport? So there's a lot of work that needs to be done, both on creating the structures, as well as ensuring at the workplace it is relatively safe, as well as ensuring if there are accidents, there are fresh cases, how do you isolate quickly without having to go to a second lockdown or a third lockdown? Those will be devastating if we have to go there.